Every person in the world is different. No two people are exactly the same. We may look similar. We may live in the same place. We may speak the same language. But inside, we are different. We think in different ways. We feel in different ways. We dream in different ways. This is not a problem. This is something beautiful. When we are young, we start to see differences. Some children like to run. Some like to read. Some like to talk. Some like to stay quiet. These differences do not mean someone is better. They only show that people are not the same. The world is full of many colors, not just one. Sometimes people feel bad because they're different. They look at others and think, why am I not like them? They see someone strong. They see someone smart. They see someone confident. They feel small. But being different does not mean being less. It means being yourself. Think about nature. Trees are different. Some are tall. Some are short. Some have big leaves. Some have small leaves. But all trees are trees. They all grow in their own way. The forest is beautiful because of many kinds of trees, not only one kind. People are like that forest. If everyone were the same, the world would be boring. We need different ideas. We need different skills. We need different hearts. A quiet person can bring peace. A brave person can bring action. A kind person can bring warmth. Many people compare themselves with others. They compare their body. They compare their job. They compare their life. When they see someone who seems better, they feel sad. But comparison often hides the truth. We only see the outside. We do not see the full story. One person may be good at speaking. Another person may be good at listening. Speaking is important. Listening is also important. Both are needed. In a conversation, if everyone speaks, no one listens. If everyone listens, no one speaks. Differences create balance. In school or at work, people have different strengths. Some learn fast. Some learn slowly. But slow does not mean bad. Some people need more time. With time, they grow strong. Every person has a different speed. Life is not a race. Sometimes people feel lonely because they feel different. They may think no one understands them, but somewhere in the world, there is someone who feels the same. Differences connect us. When we share our true self, we find people who accept us. Families also show differences. Brothers and sisters can be very different. One may be calm. One may be active. One may like music. One may like sports. But they're still family. Love does not need people to be the same. Different feelings are also part of being human. One person may cry easily. Another may stay quiet. One may show anger. Another may hide it. These differences do not mean one is right and one is wrong. They show that hearts are not the same. Culture is another example. People from different places eat different food. They wear different clothes. They celebrate different days. These differences make the world rich. Traveling becomes interesting because people are not the same everywhere. Sometimes fear comes from differences. When people do not understand someone, they may feel afraid. But fear often comes from not knowing. When we learn about others, fear becomes respect. Understanding grows from open hearts. Being different also means having different dreams. One person may want a quiet life. Another may want adventure. One may want a small home. Another may want to travel the world. There is no one right dream. Your dream is right for you. Some people speak loudly. Some speak softly. A soft voice is not weak. A loud voice is not always strong. Value is not about sound. It is about meaning. In a group, different roles are important. One person leads. One person supports. One person plans. One person works quietly. Together, they create something strong. Alone, it is harder. Many people try to change themselves to be like others. They think this will make them accepted. But pretending is tiring. Being yourself brings peace. When you accept your differences, you feel lighter. Mistakes also show differences. People make different kinds of mistakes. People learn in different ways. Learning from mistakes is more important than hiding them. The world needs artists and builders. It needs teachers and students. It needs dreamers and workers. It needs thinkers and helpers. Every role matters. Even our faces are different. Our fingerprints are different. Our voices are different. This shows how special each person is. You are not a copy. You are original. Sometimes people say, be normal. But what is normal? Normal changes from place to place. Normal changes from time to time. Being different is normal. Respect is important when we talk about differences. We do not need to agree with everyone, but we can listen. We can be kind. Respect makes differences safe. When you accept that people are different, you stop fighting small things. You understand that not everyone will think like you. This understanding brings calm. You are different too. Your past is different. Your story is different. Your pain and joy are different. This makes your voice important. No one else can live your life. Instead of asking, why am I different? You can ask, what makes me special? Instead of hiding your differences, you can use them. Growth comes when we learn from others. Because we are different, we can teach each other. One person shares strength. Another shares patience. Together, we grow. We are all different, but we all feel love. We all feel pain. We all want to be understood. These shared feelings connect us. Difference is not distance. Difference is color. Difference is music. Difference is life. So when you feel different, remember this. Being different is not wrong. Being different is human. The world is wide enough for every kind of person. You do not need to change who you are to belong. You belong because you are human. We are all different. And that is what makes the world beautiful.